Go, let's go.
My legs are not working. I can't.
We'll have EMS check you out. Come on.
I literally can't move. You guys, you're gonna hurt me. Please.
Let's go. Get up.
I can't. You don't understand. I can't. My legs are Joe. I can't even feel them right now. My stomach hurts.
All right, sit down right here. Come on, let's go. Sit down.
How's it going?
Hey, how's it going?
All right, what's up?
Yeah, you tell us.
Hey?
Yeah, come over here. Can you go talk to this officer? I'll tell you what it's about in a minute.
Okay. Can I stand up?
Yeah, where you guys coming from?
I'm just giving her a ride.
Oh, okay, okay. What's your name, sir? Alright, I guess she has something pending going on, so... This is her bag. Put it over here so it doesn't get wet. Can you show me all of them?
Alright, so I'm going to read you something and we're going to talk.
I already talked to them. I wasn't trying to steal anything. I was just trying to grab my card.
I'm going to read you something, and if you want to talk to me to explain your side of things, I'll be.
But I'm under
happy
arrest
to hear.
now?
No,
You're detained right now.
you're detained.
You're not free to leave.
But I already talked to the girl. Like I wasn't stealing anything.
Okay. So I'm going to read it to you. If you want to tell me your side of the story, I would be glad to hear it. So just give me a second.
Okay.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before he asks you any questions and to have him with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you for any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to stop answering at any time. You also have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. With these rights in mind, do you want to tell me your side of the story and answer some questions or what?
Why do you have my ex's ID?
You tell me.
Because my wallet was in the bag. Oh, my wallet was in the bag with my rabbit food.
Okay.
Yeah, but why do you have my ex's ID?
So tell me what's going on.
Nothing.
Your side of the story.
I got a cart full of stuff, and
Okay.
I sat at the service desk for a minute, and nobody was there. Okay. So I was texting my friend, and I went out to go get my card and my money, and I went out, and they stopped me at the door, thinking I was like stealing. I told them I just had to go right here to get my card, and we were parked right there. I have my card, I have my money on me, and everything. Like, I just had to grab my money real quick. That's it.
You just said you had your card and your money on you,
but I had to grab it in the car. I tried to go grab it, and she was like freaking out on me, like I was trying to steal something. I wasn't trying to steal anything.
Usually when someone goes shopping, they bring your money with them.
I know, I left it in the car.
Okay.
I didn't need to leave it in the car.
What? You left your wallet in the car?
Yes.
What does it look
No,
like?
it wasn't my wallet in the car. No, I left my money, my cards, my debit cards and everything in the car.
Okay.
I left my wallet in the Walmart bag that had my rabbit food in it.
Okay.
But I left my actual money in the car.
Okay.
And I just had to grab it from my friend. He was right there. Well, my boyfriend, kind of. I don't know. But he was right there. I even have my money on me right now and everything. Like I had the money to pay for all this stuff. Like I was only pushing the cart because I had my backpack and shit in there. I didn't want to just leave it like that. I wasn't trying to steal anything. I told the girl that. I sat at the service desk for a minute.
That's you, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So.
But I wasn't trying to steal anything. I told her that.
That's fine.
What does your wallet look like?
What do you mean?
What does your wallet that you carry on the daily look like?
I have a few different wallets.
Okay.
What do you mean? Why is he asking me what? I don't even know which one I had at the time. Why is he asking me?
That's yours? You left it?
Yes, that's one of my wallets.
Okay, that's yours. Alright.
So you couldn't pay with the money that's inside?
Money, debit cards, all that.
No, because that's not enough money to pay for it. And the other money is some funny. It's some shit that I got from one of my son's friends. That one's a long story, but it wasn't enough money. I have my money on me. I had the car. But that's what? told her I had to get my money out of the car. Like,
Okay,
she was just freaking out on me. I wasn't trying to steal anything.
Okay, so I'm gonna be real with you, right? When you go into a store and you forget that you gotta get your card, you don't just go walk out with all the merchandise to go get it.
Well, no, that's why I said it. The guest services for a minute, where there was nobody there. Honestly, I was just pushing the cart. I was just gonna push the cart right to the door so I could call out. Let me get my money. He was parked right there. Like, he would have heard me. I didn't even get all the way out the door. I didn't even push anything out the door. He would have heard me from right at that point and calling out to him. Like, I wasn't trying to steal anything. It's not what I'm trying to do.
Give us a minute.
I swear to God.
Just hang out right there. Hang out right there.
I don't know specifically.
Can I incur my phone?
No, not right now.
No, you can't.
You guys are going to take me to jail, though, right?
Why do you say that?
Because if you stopped me, then you think that I was trying to steal it, too. Like, that's how it goes, right? Even though I told her I wasn't, and I stopped right there, I didn't take anything out the door. I was just trying to call for money. I wasn't trying to steal anything. I was just trying to get my money.
Well, you know, we're just trying to make sure this isn't a big misunderstanding. So.
This is a big misunderstanding. Like, I'm not trying to piss off.
Well, the way it looks, right, is that you selected a whole bunch of stuff, came in, you
shop.
walked past all points of sale.
No, I said the guest services for a minute. There was nobody there, so then I was going to go grab my money. I was going to pay for it all at guest services because I had this.
Why?
Oh my God.
Why were you going to pay for it at guest services?
Because I have some Target credit thing. I always go to guest services. Always. I always pay for my stuff at guest services.
Is this you?
What happened on that day?
What?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't even
That's
know
you, correct?
I mean,
geez.
yeah, it looks like it.
Okay.
But I don't know what happened on that day.
That's you.
So we're
What
not
store
here.
was that in?
We're
It
not
doesn't
here.
matter what store that was in. That's you.
So,
I mean, it's on video. Like I said, we're here for a reason. You admitted that you were just at Target. This is you in another store.
I don't know. I don't know where the hell that was. I don't have.
This is at
I don't even
Walmart.
have that shirt.
You shop at Walmart?
Yeah, I shop at Walmart,
Okay,
but
so
I don't
this
even
is
have that shirt. I don't have that shirt. I don't wear True
okay,
Religion.
you might not have it anymore, but
How do you know what that is from?
Because you can see the
Look,
symbols on
look.
it.
you know, we've had previous interactions with you. We know you personally. We knew that was you from before. It's no coincidence. We just saw you on a bike and we're like, oh, there she goes. So that's why we're here. We're just trying to see. So obviously you have a reason for or an explanation for what happened today. We're asking you what happened that day because you're on video passing all points of sale.
Passing all points of sale. I don't even know what that
Okay,
is.
here's the thing, right? I'm a very level-headed person. When you start lying to me, I get a little upset. So listen to me very carefully. I showed you the picture. You said, yes, that's me. It looks like me. Then you just,
But I don't
10
have
seconds,
that shirt.
10 seconds later, you just said, no, I don't have that shirt.
But I don't have that shirt. But it does look like me because of my shorts and everything. I always wear those cut-off shorts. But I don't go past points of. I don't make it a habit to go past points of sale. I don't make it a habit to just be stealing food and stuff at Target. Like I don't want to get in trouble. Like I don't like getting in trouble. I don't like that. I don't want to lose my job. I don't want to lose my kids.
Do you remember that day specifically? Do you remember? Like, did you leave your wallet that day too? Or what?
There was a big incident where you had self-checkout with a whole cart of food, and people say you tried to do the self-checkout over the app, and it just wasn't working for some reason, and employees were helping you, trying to get you some help.
Was it over here on Pine Island Road?
Yes.
That went through. If I could get my phone, I'll show you the receipt to it.
Okay.
That went through, and it told me that it went through. It said you're all set, and it said that you went through, and that I don't know what
So
the hell
that
that
is
would be. If that's the same incident that happened at Walmart on Pine Island Road, then that's what happened on Pine Island Road. Because you're saying it's a big incident with self-checkout. I did have a big incident self-checkout, but it went through. It paid, and they were telling me that it didn't, and I'm saying yes, it did. And I showed them my phone and everything. And that's when I just got pissed off, and I just said, whatever, I don't have time for this. I needed to go feed my kids, or I needed to go home for something. I don't really remember too much of it, because I don't really remember. But I don't make it a point, like, I'm not...
So that day, So that day you were at Walmart, and then what happened? You went through the self-checkout?
I don't know if it was that day. I had one incident at Walmart. I don't know. I don't even...
We don't have many incidents like that. You're just telling me it's a big coincidence that a girl that looks just like you, just in a different shirt, had the same exact incident of a self-checkout where you tried to pay on the app, and it's just all a big coincidence?
What do you mean? It's a big coincidence.
Yeah, someone who looks just like you had the exact same incident at Walmart that you shop at about self-checkout on an app.
But on that day, let me see the photo again.
You guys are going to take me to jail.
Yeah,
now?
just listen.
I mean, you're not cooperating.
Yes, I am cooperating. I don't want to go to jail. Like, I'm not trying to get in trouble.
Alright, look.
Please, I don't want to go to jail.
I think you're literally wearing the same shorts.
No, I just got these shorts actually today.
Alright, so this is clearly you. On this day, what happened? Was it that you didn't pay, or you had an issue at the self-checkout?
I don't know if it's that day or if I don't even know. You're saying that it's me, but I don't even know if that is
clearly you.
It kind of looks like a gorilla. I mean, it's kind of.
You might have had a rough day, but it's you.
I don't know. It's kind of blurry.
Okay.
But I did have one incident at Walmart where they were trying to help me check out, but my phone said that I paid. My ex let me use his card on the Walmart app, and that's why I was using the Walmart app, because I didn't have his card. He sent it to me in a text. And I put it on the Walmart app, and I paid, and it said it went through. And they were yelling at me that it didn't, or some bullshit. I don't know, but I didn't have time to sit around there and just bullshit with them. I had to go. But it went through.
Okay.
Oh my God, I don't make it a point to just be stupid.
What's a good address for you?
Northport.
Okay, what is it?
I don't even know.
So you're saying if I let you get your phone, is it here?
Yes, it's in his bag.
Okay. That you're going to be able to show me that you paid for that day that you're referring to?
Yeah, if you can tell me a date. It might take me a minute. I might have to try to get into the Walmart app because I have a whole different phone. I got factory reset. But yeah, when I had an incident at Walmart, it went through. It told me it was all set. We were all set. I even screenshotted it and showed it to the lady. And we were standing right there arguing about it the whole time. I mean, you guys must have watched all that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so then you saw that I was paying for it.
No, that's not that.
You saw that I showed her the screenshot. I showed her where it said all set. You can zoom in. You can see where it said all set. You're all set. You're all set. That means you can go. You're paid for it, right?
Nope. They can't verify that you paid for any of that stuff in the card that day.
You can zoom in on the photos and you can
Regardless
see
of
where I showed her
what it said.
What my phone said.
In their system, there was no amount paid for that transaction.
You guys are going to take me to jail. No, I can't go to jail.
Give us a second.
Can you just lean up against the car?
You know, if I say these people, do you know them or not? All right. What?
Could you show me a picture? Oh, yeah.
Who is she?
She was one of my brother's ex-girlfriends.
His brother's ex-girlfriend?
Yes. Yes, we just moved out of we got evicted from the place, and we were cleaning out all the drawers and shit. I have her ID.
Okay.
And
Does she know you have her ID?
She knows that she left it at her house.
Does she know you have it?
Probably. I would assume so. Either me or yeah. I mean, I don't use it for anything. I just was cleaning out the house. We got evicted. I don't have no reason to use her ID. She looks like me.
Okay. And what about?
Yes.
Who's that?
Same.
Same what?
She's okay. So my brother, he likes prostitutes, and whenever they don't have whatever it is that they need to perform their job or whatever it is, they usually give him something to hold on to, jewelry or their IDs usually is what it is, because everybody needs their ID back, you know. So that's what they used to do at the house, and my brother would always bring a lot of these girls, and it's kind of...
And what, they would use their IDs?
Yeah, if they didn't have enough money to get what they needed, or they couldn't get right, or everybody's going to come back for their IDs. You know what I mean? Usually
Not an ex-girlfriend.
My brother's ex-girlfriend. Yeah. Just one of my friends. She's also a trick though, but they're both tricks.
So they just happen to leave their IDs at his house.
Because they never wanted to come back to pay him what they owed him, so they left their IDs there. So we're all getting evicted.
So do they know that you haven't?
I don't know if they know that I have them, but they know that I lived in that house, and they know that they left their IDs there. I haven't been able to reach out to either one of them and let them know because we haven't been evicted for very long.
And what about?
That's my daughter's father. It's my daughter's father. Yes, it's my daughter's father. We have the same address on both of our IDs.
Okay, but what does that have to do with why would he have his ID?
It's an old ID.
Okay, does he know you have it?
Yes, he does.
I don't know. Based on our last
No,
interaction.
he knows that I have it. It's an old ID.
Let me move my patrol car real quick.
His ID. So he just gave me his old ID so I can shop at Macy's.
Are you still an authorized user?
Yes, I am. I can get into the Macy's account and show you and everything. But
Do you have a
anytime I
phone
ever
number
shop
for him since you talked to him?
Yes.
What is it?
Are you pregnant right now?
5?
Yes.
Just a second, I'm going to make a phone call.
Are you having a child with your ex or different?
No, it's different. The girl didn't say I was in any kind of trouble because I told her I wasn't trying to steal anything. And she said that I was trespassed.
Yo, straighten out your cars like people just move to record in my car.
Can I get my phone so I can show you guys the...
This is his investigation, so I'll let him figure out what.
I don't want to wear any kind of trouble. So you guys stopped me because I got trespassed from Target earlier?
I'm investigating a theft. 2 thefts.
What thefts?
Target and Walmart.
I didn't steal anything though. So they're not thefts. They're not thefts, I didn't steal anything.
Yeah.
There's nothing that I can say that's gonna let you guys let me go, huh?
Like I said, this is his investigation, so.
Well, can I go talk to him?
I mean, like, look, the fact that some shit happened at Walmart, and then we get called to Target, same person, and like when it happened at Walmart, I looked at the video and I was like, yeah, I remember her. We dealt with you at Liberty Tax when we had the issue with your baby daddy. Yeah. Just hang out a little bit more over there so I can see you.
Yes.
But I would just put that on the same record that this was recovered and turned into property. But that it was turned into CCTV record. We went to before for the same thing. Yo! Where'd she go, man? She just dipped. Come over here. Hey, she's on the south side of the canal. South side of the canal. $24.03K. We just had a white female, fully on foot, across the canal, south of Northeast 6th Street. She's running southeast. Yeah, get in your car, get in your car. She's running south on the street that's to the east, south of this canal. We got 2 theft charges on it. You see her? You saw her?
Yeah, she's here. She's in the water. Yep.
Female's back in the water. Get the f over here.
It was a mistake. Come out. Come out. You're gonna get eaten by gators. Hey. Yeah, we're about to get you. We're about to jump in.
The Marine unit's just gonna grab their boat.
Alfonso, she's in the middle. She's in the middle. She's in the middle. Oh, I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Hey, come on.
Oh, he did when he get her.
Yeah, he did.
I hope he didn't grab all his shit. What's wrong with her?
She ran from her stop. She was stealing.
Bring her.
Are you going to the other side? I'm going to the other side.
Hey, bring her right here. Right here. It's shallow. Bring her here.
Hey, he's shallow over here. Bring her over here.
Bring her here.
I'm not. I'm right here.
Let's go.
I can't. My legs are done.
Let's go. Get the f up. Let's go.
My legs are not working. I can't.
We'll have EMS check you out. Come on.
I literally can't move. You guys, you're gonna hurt me. Please.
Let's go, get up.
I can't. You don't understand. I can't. My legs are like jello. I can't even feel them right now. And my stomach hurts.
All right, sit down right here. Let's go. Sit down right here.
I can crawl up. Let me have my arm back.
4 times 12.
Can I have my arm back?
No, let's go.
I can crawl up, please.
No, use your
No,
feet.
I can't feel my legs.
Use your feet.
I cannot. You don't understand. That's why I was swimming with just my arms. I can't feel my legs. Ow, my belly. Ow.
Sorry. We'll wait for more officers to get here.
Sorry, I can't move.
You're getting out of this canal one way or
Yes,
another.
I want to get out of it. I'm scared of alligators.
Not
I
to say I work
can't
around
move. I can't move. I'm sorry. I never wanted to run.
Are we
He
able
said
to
he
just
was
put her
gonna
on her back?
kill me.
Right here?
He said he was going to kill me.
Ooh.
He said he was going to kill me.
Listen, either you help us get out of the water, or we're going to force you out of the water.
Look, come over here where there's not rocks.
I wish I could.
Let's
I can't
go.
move.
You can move. You can move.
I can move
you
my
just,
upper
you
half.
just,
I can't
you just
move
ran
my-
from us.
that's-
You can move.
That's
Let's
why
go.
I probably can't move my
No,
legs.
you can move.
I kept telling you I can't. That's why I was swinging with just my arms.
Let's move.
Can
Either
you
we're gonna
please
pull you
tell
out.
him? Please tell him. I was swinging with just my arms. I can't move my legs. I don't know why. They're like jello. I can't move them. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Ow. Oh my god. I'm gonna get my
Take a
belly.
step up.
My
Take a step
baby's
up.
like... My
1,
baby
2,
is
3.
like...
1, 2, 3.
He said he was gonna kill me anyways. So f it.
To your side.
Get on your side.
Please. Ow. Can you pull the shorts out of my ass, please?
No.
Pretty please.
No.
Ow. Just pull them out of my ass. Please.
Don't fucking tense up.
Please. Ow. Now you're hurting me.
Give us your.
You're hurting me. I can't. You're hurting me. You're hurting me. I can't move. You're hurting me. I don't know. Why are you guys doing this to me right now? Why didn't do anything? Just take my arms. I don't care. You don't have to push me in the door like this. You don't have to push me in the door like this. I didn't do anything.
You didn't have to fucking jump in the canal either, but you did.
No, I didn't want to. He said he was gonna me. No.
Let's just say 1 to 10.
No. Hold on. Hold on. I can pick my foot up. Hold on.
Come on.
Let's go.
I'm gonna release. Ow. 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 Hold on. I can't. Hold on. My legs, I can't.
We're walking.
I can't really walk.
Too fucking bad.
Oh my god. Please. Ow, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. It's not me. I'm stuck. Ow. It's not me.
Alright. 3.
I can't even take my feet up enough to move. I can't.
Then why'd you run?
Because these things.
That's why police are here.
Huh?
That's why.
Investigative Detention, Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 11968. A lawful investigative stop requires only reasonable articulable suspicion RAS, a lower threshold than probable cause. Prior theft investigations at 2 locations satisfied this standard. Officers correctly stated on camera, "You're detained. You are not free to move." Detention and arrest are legally distinct under the Fourth Amendment. Detention does not require probable cause, arrest does. Lesson officers must articulate this distinction clearly on scene. Failure to do so creates procedural exposure in court. Miranda writes, Miranda v. Arizona 384 U.S. 4361966. Miranda warnings are required before custodial interrogation. Officers here read Miranda while the subject was still detained, not yet arrested. This was a proactive, legally sound decision that insulated any subsequent statements from suppression challenge. Lesson reading Miranda before formal arrest when questioning moves toward incrimination is best practice. It eliminates the ambiguity between detained questioning and custodial interrogation. Retail Theft Florida Statute Section 812.014. Theft is defined as knowingly obtaining property with intent to deprive the owner of its benefit. The temporary nature of the deprivation does not negate the elements. Leaving a store with unpaid merchandise satisfies the actus reus, regardless of stated intent to return and pay. Intent is an element, but it is evaluated by a court not at the door. App-based self-checkout note, a payment confirmation on a consumer's device, does not constitute proof of a completed transaction. Florida courts look to the retailer's internal payment record. A screen showing all set is not a legal receipt. Lesson disputed digital payments at self-checkout are a documented vulnerability in retail theft litigation. Defendants must affirmatively preserve transaction records, app history, bank confirmation, and screenshots to support their defense. Possession of third-party identification. Florida Statute Section 817.568. Possession of another person's identification information with intent to use fraudulently is a third-degree felony, punishable by up to 5 years in prison. Officers located multiple third-party IDs in the subject's bag. The charge was not filed at scene. The critical element is intent. An explanation for possession, if credible, can negate the mens rea. Lesson: carrying another person's ID even innocently creates immediate exposure under Section 817.568. The burden of establishing innocent possession shifts practically to the subject once the ID is found.
You need to help me when you're listening to me. I don't video everything.
No.
Stop whining! Stop!
I'm not whining.
You've been whining the whole time. We're here because
I'm not whining the whole time. I'm
This kind of thing? got anything that's on poker stick us?
No, God, no. I don't have anything at all but a little bit of money, probably, maybe, if it's still there. I don't know. Can I please sit down?
Yeah, the money.
I have to sit down.
Yeah, you're fine.
Is this going traffic stop?
So nothing on you that's gonna poke us, stick us?
No, I don't have anything, but maybe a little bit of money if it didn't fall out. Oh, old cigarette. So okay.
So what's in there is a cigarette?
Yeah. So I don't have anything but some money in my bra. I don't have anything at all. Oh my God.
Nothing else in your bra?
No. What else could I have in my bra but money?
Oh, you'd be surprised. Things are gone.
No. Oh my God, I'm just throw up.
If you're going to hide something, don't try to hide
I'm not hiding anything.
Stand up.
I can't.
Where's
My legs are
the
yellow,
one
I
in your
can't
bra?
breathe.
Because I need to grab it out.
In my right side. No, I can't. You don't understand. You're trying to stop me from moving. I'm involuntarily moving. My
Well,
legs
yeah,
are
you
giving
ran
out
from
on
us
me.
once. Why
I
would
didn't
we
run
let you move again?
That's how it
People
happened.
don't just jump in the canal.
Because I'm trying not to get.
By who? The driver?
No, my ex.
Alright.
I'm gonna throw up. I can't smell the fumes from this car. I'm gonna throw up.
It's only the fumes to the ground.
No, it's for this car.
Alright. Well,
You need
I'm sitting here in the car. Alright. Well, let's see you in the car where there's AC. Walk.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
No, my legs are jello.
Well, if you move them,
I'm
nobody's...
trying to move them.
There'll be blood flow.
I'm trying.
Right, left foot.
I can't pick it up that high.
Pick it up.
Well,
I
you can
believe
pick it up or I'll pick it up. Alright, I'll pick it up. You got it?
Yeah, I got it. Come on. 2 more inches, 2 more inches. Let's go. Come on.
I can't. My legs are
You're
gonna give
almost
out on
there,
me.
you're almost there.
My legs are gonna give out on me. I can't.
I gotcha, I gotcha. You ain't gonna fall.
Push. Push.
Alright, put this leg down.
Honestly, I can't.
You gotta sit normally.
I can't.
Can't transport
Can you just
another
push it? Just push it, please.
You want medical to come check your vitals?
Yes. Have some water, please.
We don't carry water. We get water for ourselves these days. We're so busy. We'll see what medical has got.
She was arrested and charged with resisting an officer without violence. If convicted, she could face up to 60 days in jail and up to a $500 fine. All defendants are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
Flight from lawful detention, California versus Hodari D. 499 U.S. 6211991. A person who flees a show of police authority is not seized under the Fourth Amendment until physically apprehended. By running the subject forfeited Fourth Amendment protection for the period between flight and apprehension. Illinois v. Wardlow 528 U.S. 1192000. Unprovoked flight from officers combined with prior law enforcement context elevates reasonable suspicion to probable cause. Flight is not neutral behavior under the law. Resisting without violence Florida Statute, Section 843.02. Elements: 1 officer lawfully executing a legal duty. 2 subject knew the officer's authority. 3 subject resisted or obstructed without violence. All 3 elements were satisfied on camera. Penalty: first-degree misdemeanor up to 60 days in county jail and a $500 fine. Lesson: flight from a lawful detention alone constitutes a complete and documented resisting offense under Section 843.02. The subject entered this encounter facing 2 pending theft investigations with no arrest on the table. The decision to flee created a 3rd charge on video with no factual or legal defense available. Use of force canal extraction. Graham vs. Connor 490 U.S. 386-1989. Force must be objectively reasonable from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene, not with hindsight. Factors severity of offense, immediate threat level, and degree of active resistance. Here, prior flight confirmed active commands refused waterway environment created independent public safety risk. The force applied physical guidance out of the water, no strikes, no weapons, was proportional under this standard. Officers also called EMS to evaluate the subject's medical complaints post-extraction, a duty of care obligation correctly fulfilled. Key legal lessons. 1. Detention is not arrest. Comply during detention. Flight converts the situation entirely and permanently. 2. Miranda is triggered by custodial interrogation. Proactive advisement before formal arrest is best practice. 3. Retail theft elements are met at the point of taking intent to pay later does not extinguish criminal exposure. 4. Digital payment records must be preserved independently. A phone confirmation screen is not a legal defense without corroboration. 5. Possession of third-party identification, even without fraudulent use triggers, Section 817.568 exposure. 6. Under Graham vs. Connor, force proportional to resistance and environmental risk is lawful. Canal entry elevated both. All defendants are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.